Welcome to Master English Every Day, your peaceful corner to grow, to heal, and to master English one mindful word at a time. Don't just be good to others, be good to yourself too. We often carry a gentle smile, a helping hand, a listening ear for others. But how often do we offer the same to ourselves? Being kind to yourself is not selfish. It is necessary. You cannot pour from an empty cup. So today, breathe slowly. Forgive yourself. Talk to yourself the way you would talk to someone you love deeply. Give yourself permission to rest, to dream, to start again. You are doing your best, and that is enough. I am kind to myself. I deserve rest. I speak to myself with love and patience. I choose peace. I choose healing. I choose me. Thank you for spending this moment with Master English Every Day. If this message brought you peace, follow our channel and share this podcast with someone who needs a gentle reminder too. Let's grow one breath, one word, one story at a time.